Hello, everyone. Just comment that you guys can hear me. I'll let some people join. If you know me, I've changed the scenery. Usually, where I do my YouTube videos or live, it's in my other room, and that room is insanely hot. Summer. So I'm in my living room basically. Anyway, hello. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. You either know me from TikTok, where I have almost 100,000 followers, like 95,000, something like that, or YouTube, where I do videos about crypto, DeFi, stocks, all that stuff. Just comment that you can hear me, and I will let you know about my basically announcement, and then we can start. Yeah, how about chat? I don't know where the chat went, but okay. Interesting. I don't know what's going on, but we'll be here. It's fine. Got it. Pin chat. Cool. Official service. So, hello. Here we go. David Johnson. Yeah. Not banned from TikTok yet. Yet is the key. Along with everyone else. Yet is the key. No one got banned. To be honest, nobody got banned. I think the people, you guys think that people got banned. I think that all the people that pumped Safe Moon, Doge, and 50,000 other shit. I can't say that word because I won't get monetized on this chat. But basically, all those people just lost money and stopped posting. They didn't get banned. They just lost interest because gamblers are gamblers. You can't make money if you're in this market for like 3 months and all you do is pump coins because the price is 0.70 free. Doesn't work like that, basically. So yeah, crypto is pretty boring. In the last, I don't know if you guys saw my video 2 months ago. I said that everyone thinking we're either gonna crash, we're either gonna go to the moon, and I came with another theory. I said that we're gonna go nowhere for about 3-4 months. This was like almost 2 months ago. We're gonna flush the retail gamblers in the next 3-4 months. It's gonna be very dry, very boring. Crypto will not move. So far, everything that I said happens from that video. And after that, when all the retail gamblers will be out, which seems to me that they are, eventually the whales will take us up again, and retail gamblers will join us at all-time high yet again. Hopefully, I don't know, September, October. I don't think we're done. I really don't think so. But comment what you think and let me tell you about my next adventure. I posted an email to my to all the people that got my top DeFi picks like 2 hours ago. Haven't posted about it on TikTok, but let me share with you guys. It's pretty awesome, actually. I started about a month ago training to become business lending broker. Okay, business lending broker. I finished the training, I would say Friday, let's say tomorrow, like, I don't know, 24 hours from now, I will be done with the training. What does it mean, business lending broker? Good thing you ask. Basically, it means that I will have the option, starting today, tomorrow, doesn't matter, to offer funding, loans, unsecured, secure, startup loan. If you want to start a business, your home business, finally something that you want to do, reach out to me. If you already have a business, doesn't matter if it's I don't know, drop shipping, Amazon FBA. Don't think that you need like 1,000 employees in an office. That's not the case anymore in 2021. Reach out to me, see if I can help. If you want to buy real estate, there's like a great, as an investor, look not for your house, uh, not for your main house. Buy real estate as an investor, pay interest only for the first 5 to 10 years. Insane. And then another 20 years amortization, just insane stuff. I can help with that as well. It depends on many stuff. Sometimes it depends on your credit. Sometimes it depends on I don't know how much your business is making. If it's already live, if it's not live, how much is your credit? And you wanna, let's say you wanna start a business tomorrow, and you come to me, hey, I wanna open a restaurant. I need 100K, but my credit score is like 500. Let's be real. You're not gonna get $100,000, not from me or anyone else, unless it's your family, basically. But to sum it up, I'm adding another avenue to my repertoire of finance. Not gonna go away from TikTok or YouTube, but it's very boring. There's not a lot of views. People are not watching anymore because the end of the day, people watch because everyone told them the Doge is going to go to the moon, safe money is going to go to the moon, and while retail traders will always lose, just history repeats itself in crypto as well. They are the main reason why we went up so high in the last couple of months. They just bought everything that they can think of until they stop buying, and then they sold for a loss, and they will probably buy more when we will be up and up. But as I said, I started this business loan broker about a month ago. So to sum it up, before I answer some questions, if you guys, again, if you have a business that's already running, you need to cover payrolls, you want to expand, you want to buy another, I don't know, printer, copy machine, or truck, become a truck driver, whatever the case, or you want to start all those videos on TikTok. Hey, let's go do a Shopify, uh, drop shipping, Amazon FBA, make millions of dollars. I don't think it's true, but you guys saw those video affiliate marketing, all that stuff. You need money at the end of the day. So if you need money, reach out to me. Let me write my business phone 77. There we go. So you will have a way to actually reach out to me. Business inquiries. I don't know how to spell inquiries, but still. 774-810-1099. It is my business phone. It's right next to me. For business only. For crypto, it's a different phone number for texting from the PDF. But as I said, if you want to start a business, if you already have a business, if you want to invest in real estate and don't have the money to do so, you do need money. It's not a gift. It's either loan, secured, unsecured, tons of options. And if you have none of this, but you know people that do, there's a pretty nice hefty referral commission, as they say. If you just refer people that you know that they want to start a business or have a business, something like that, I'll reach out as well. So basically, this is what I have done in the last month or so, and I'm gonna pursue it as well. I will keep doing videos, nothing changed. But as you know, if crypto is down, views are down all across the board. YouTube, TikTok, doesn't matter. And at the end of the day, I want to do this for a while. I think like, I don't know, 2015 or something. Just the price tag to get in was insanely high. It's not like you, I don't know, do an online course for like 997. That's it, and you know everything. It doesn't work like that. That's a pretty hefty price tag. Uh, there are, I would say, I don't know, 40 or 50 companies out there that provide funding. Out of those, maybe 80% of them offer just one product. And the company that I went with offer 13 products. 13 products, that's insane, that I can offer. Depends on your situation. So basically I went with a reputable company after I've done my research, and I actually want to do this for a couple of years. And after everything happens in my life in the last month, personal, all that stuff, divorce, I think I decided that it's a good time to actually do that and jump heads first. So I'm sharing this if you need some business funding, and I might do some YouTube videos about it to get more information, because As far as I know, not sure. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. If you own a business, even just from your home base, selling stuff on Amazon, doesn't matter what it is. You probably needed some money for more inventory, whatever the case. You went to your bank told you no after they check your credit. You send them like a 2 years tax return, and like a month or so later, they told you no. A month is good. Usually it's like 3-4 months. But eventually you got a no from your bank, and then you said, okay, I'm out. I can't expand. I can't do anything. Well, there are insane amount of opportunities out there, but not a lot of people either know, talk about it, or sell more than 10, as I said, 13 products, because most of the companies that are actually providing business funding are only offering one product, and most likely that one product doesn't really uh, you know is the exact solution that the customer needs. Basically, sometimes that same product is more harmful for the borrower instead of being good for the borrower. So I have some options. If you gain value from me so far, if you gain my trust, TikTok or YouTube, think that you can gain my trust in helping you grow your business or start your business. That's my opening statement, as they say. Hope this was helpful. Yeah, let me know what's going on, and let's read the comments. Feel free to talk about crypto, because at the end of the day, this is what you want to hear. But yeah, this is pretty good. I will definitely do videos. There's real estate. I saw a webinar from the company. They do webinar weekly, plus all the training, all that stuff. So the last webinar from last week was about a company, real estate funding company that I have an option to work with. They give you an option. Hey, you want to buy a real estate investment property? You can do that as long as you have, I don't know, 20, 25, 30% down payment. Fine. That's like the standard that everyone is asking. But now you have 10 years of interest only. That's insane. Instead of from the 30 years mortgage that you get with that real estate company, for example, the first 10 years is interest only. So you rent the place, okay, you come up, let's say the house is, I don't know, 100K investment property. That's for the example before I read the comments. You bring from your own house 30,000, 30K, that's 30% down. Dom, yes, I am. Doom, I am. In America, but I am. You bring 30,000 down, 30%, and the rest 70,000. Sure, it is finance, it is a mortgage, but instead of you barely making up $100 a month after your mortgage and the rent cover the mortgage, the first 10 years you just pay the interest on that 70,000. That's insane. And most likely 7 years or so from now, you can just refinance, sell the house, whatever the case. It's a pretty good deal just for real estate. As I said, there's other businesses, but I would like to read the comments. And as I said, reach out to me. The phone is in the description of this chat, so we can start, And if you don't want to use the phone, let me give you my email as well. Okay, let me just write it down. I actually made a website or got a website. Ziv, give me a second, guys. If you don't want to talk on the phone first, there you go. Ziv at Capital Finance after 40. Not Gmail. Erase that. Let me did it again. Ziv at Capital. It's new to me as well, guys. So .com. There we go. Hope that I made this one right. Ziv at Capital Finance after 40.com. Combined all of that. I'm sure you can do that. Or you can call me at the business phone, which is 774-810-1099. Referrals are making pretty awesome money from my understanding. I'm just getting into this business as of this basically today, because I finished the training, give or take. Okay, let's see what we're going on with the comments. How many PDFs are there for top DeFi? One. Got yours about a month ago. Is there more? There's one PDF, regular coins. Uh, it's in the description of all my videos. Basically, you click on the top DeFi link, and it brings you to like the home page, and you can pick between the DeFi or the regular coins. Or if you buy both, it's like a 30% discount, basically. So you just click on the PDF link from all the descriptions that I have in the videos lately, and you can choose which PDF you can pick, basically. See what we got. Not worth all the info can be found online. You can say that about anything in life, basically. All the info is online for anything ever. It tried to say that the token in there no one was talking about, but there's videos from 6 months ago. Okay, Angry AXEW. I buy and resell Jordans, Pokemon cards, baseball cards, and other collectors like coins. Okay, there have been tons of money in the collector market. I'm not doing the buying or selling. I'm just able to provide funding if you want to buy or sell more, basically. I'm not here to teach you about Pokemon cards and how to buy them. How are your Polygon Medic returns on QuickSwap? I'm going to follow through with your videos this weekend. Is it still profitable? Nothing is profitable in the last month. Everything goes down. Doesn't matter if it's DeFi, regular coins. Basically, once Bitcoin gets back to normal, hopefully in the next month or two, things will pick up all across the board. Are you saying you're offering capital to support businesses? Not me. I'm a business loan broker. So basically, we talk. Okay, we do like a 10 minutes phone call. It's no charge. I ask you some pre-qualification questions. Based on your answers, I send you like a one-page online application, like PDF, DocuSign. You fill your application, you send it back to me. I send based on your answer to whatever lender that fits your criteria. But I will tell you in the phone if you can even qualify for something. And if the lender gets your one-page application, the PDF, and says, okay, you are approved for, I don't know, based on everything that you mentioned, and like bank statements and all that in the last 3 months or so, you approve for like $50,000, I don't know, unsecured credit card, business lines of credit, whatever the case, business credit, something like that. And then I go back to you and say, hey, you got approved for 50K. These are the rates. These are your options. And then you say yes or no, basically. And after all of that, if you get the loan, I get a certain commission from the broker, not from you. It's pretty good deal. Pretty good business at the end of the day. So yeah, feel free to reach out to me. Yeah, let's see what else we got. Only for the US. Kirk, where are you from? It's US, Canada. There are some brokers, Australia and UK, but it's pretty hard. Did I buy a red Tesla yet? No. How did you learn to do what you do? Educated myself with like gazillions of YouTube videos and hundreds of books, basically self-taught. I also have MBA in finance, basically, but that has nothing to do with with the knowledge. MBA in finance doesn't teach you a stock market, crypto, business, loans, nothing like that. It just, but I have that. Do you think crypto is dead? No. I invested 5,000 in Telcoin and now it's down 2,000. Everything is down 60-70% the last 3 months, 2 months. There's no exceptions for any coins. Doesn't really matter, which is a shame. Because you think you hold like a good coin, valuable coin, solid coin. Bitcoin goes down. Doesn't matter if it's a great coin or a shit coin. It goes down with it. That's the problem with crypto. That was the same problem 4 years ago. Bitcoin goes down, takes everything down with it. I thought we got a little better than that. No, Bitcoin, for better or for worse, will take us wherever it goes. That's the problem. That's why I also like diminish my position. Let's say instead of and I've seen a lot of people do the same. Instead of 50 coins, because you were so hyped, oh, this coin can do this coin can do this, it's so great. Instead of 50 coins, they're all going down the same 60, 70%, or they're all going up like, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5x in the same time. Just merge to a lot less coins, like, I don't know, 3 to 5 coins, not a financial advice, of course, and just stick to them, because at the end of the day, if everything goes up, might as well have less coins with more amount in them, the ones that you really really like. How do you buy Avalanche in the US? I don't know. I seriously don't know. I've tried and I stopped trying. I tried crypto.com because they have Avalanche. You can't buy. I tried Uniswap. There's no option because you need to get Avalanche wallet on MetaMask, all that stuff. I tried Voyager, like a Coinbase competitor. I'm still waiting to get verified from like 2 months ago. So, but they do have Avalanche, but by the time I will will be able to buy, it's just stupid. That's a win-win deal. What type of interest can you get on these loans? That that doesn't matter. You don't even I don't even know if you qualified. I can tell you, hey, you got 1% or 10% interest. You gotta understand, if I'm telling you, like, the banks says no. Let's say you, as you said, you sell Pokemon cards, Jordans, all that stuff, and you want, I don't know, $50,000 give or take to buy more Pokemon cards to flip on. I don't know, where do you flip it, on eBay? I don't know. It's not my market, but I heard there's good money there. You go to the bank tells you no. So your only alternative is either do nothing and don't expand, or go to the alternative business lending route, which the interest will be higher, but you also get 50,000 in like, I don't know, 2 3 days or so, 24 48 hours. But you do need credit, or you need some revenue for like the last 3 4 months, either this or this, give or take, depends on the situation. Don't just assume that out of nowhere some company will give you 50,000, 100,000, 200,000 just because you ask nicely and you sell some shoes. Even though I love Jordan shoes, that doesn't work like that. The company needs to make sure that they're getting their cut. So you can go to the bank and the bank will tell you know what, we can give you 50,000, but show us 2 years of tax return, and we're gonna do a SBA loan, like small business loan. You're gonna get an answer in like 4 to 6 months, and you will get the lowest rate possible. Can you wait until then? That's up to you. If you want money in the next 2 3 days and you qualify based on either business income or credit score, your rates will be higher, basically. That's I'm not gonna sugarcoat it and say, yeah, you got the lowest rate, and because at the end of the day, a lot of people don't get qualified. The lender is giving money. The banks don't give money. That's that's how it goes. So the lender is gonna make money on you, and you, if you get, I don't know, if you know your numbers and you're getting extra 50K, just for the example, and that 50K generates you extra $5,000 a month based on your selling history that you can estimate, then you're okay paying, I don't know, 5% interest instead of 2% on the bank, or 7% or something like that, on that 50,000 loan that you get in like 2 3 days after you qualify. Yeah, it's there's no perfect situation, basically. Let's see what we got. But reach out to me. It seems like you got some sort of business going on, selling some stuff. Yeah, reach out to me. Not a problem. We can talk. Why not build a crypto project? After everything I've seen on TikTok, I'm not touching that. Not touching that. Not building a crypto pro. No, no. If you know my philosophy, 99% of the coins will go to zero. It doesn't matter if I made a coin and it will go to zero unless it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I would say maybe 10 to 20 total will be here 20 years from now. 20 coins total will be here. You think it's gonna be my coin because I have some followers on TikTok? No. You need like real use case, real problem worldwide that the coin can solve. If I make a coin and I say to my followers, hey, I have a coin, sure, it can go up for like I don't know, a week or two, and eventually it will go down just like 99% of the coins that have no what's the use case of me making a coin? There's absolutely nothing. So no, I'm not doing that. Not even mentioning all the security issues. That's a completely different animal. NFTs are booming. Yeah, NFTs in the last week, they just surprised me completely. They took over DeFi and they went up a lot instead of DeFi, which is crazy. It's like a cycle. I hope the next cycle is DeFi again, or regular coins, or Ethereum, or Bitcoin, or something, because it's getting pretty boring in the crypto space. Ziv, I have tried to purchase Medic through Polygon for the quick swap ran Dodge pool. In Polygon wallet, the money shows that it went to Ethereum. Not Medic. Did I do something wrong? I don't know. I need to see some screenshots or something. I don't know from this comment how to help. Send me an email. Any thoughts on crypto.com coin for long term? I didn't like it before. I like it a lot more in the last couple of months. It's got more mature, more mature. I don't know where it's gonna be a couple of years from now, but it's a good long-term hold. If you saw my token metrics, my last video, it should go up to like what was it? Like 12 cents or something like that, 12.50 in a month or so from now, according to the artificial intelligent machine. Should be up 30% from where we are in the month of July. You can buy Avalanche on KuCoin. Good to know. Or buy it from peer to peer. That's an option too. Wait, what? You can connect to Avalanche RPC in MetaMask? Yeah, that's step one to have a MetaMask Avalanche wallet. I should broker Avalanche. That's I bought Avalanche on Voyager. Still waiting to get verified. Avalanche Network. What's going on with people? Why do you like Avalanche so much? All of a sudden, I have $60,000 in sales, and that's with eBay taking their cut. From this one sentence, I can't really help you because I don't know all the details. I don't know how much is your gross. I don't know how long you've been in business. Reach out to me. There's a chance that you can get funding. No, reach out to me, email or phone. Let's have a chat. The chat is free. It's not a big deal. Website for loans. Let me write all the details again. If you guys want to reach out and tell me your story so we can see if we can move forward, here's my phone, 774-810-1099. If you are shy and you want to do it over the email first, which we can do everything on the email, I made the email ziv at capitalfinanceafter40@.com, or the website, okay, capitalfinanceafter40.com. That's a website. I still need to edit it. I just got it like 48 hours ago. But those basically the ways to reach out to me, and let's get this ball rolling. This is a big deal. It's a big deal. If you have a business, if you know people that have a business, if you want to start a business, there's a lot of money in the finance space. Doesn't matter what area: stocks, crypto, lending. The banks don't lend, especially after 2020. You saw what's going on with small businesses. Small businesses don't get any funding. So, in the last, I don't know, 15 years or so, a new industry emerged: alternative business lending. And yes, there's a lot of bad apples out there, but if you trust me enough to not give me your business, but at least have a conversation, I can, I don't know, promise that I will direct you to the right lender based on your case. Basically, you're not gonna get 0% interest, only $100,000 loan because you wanna start Shopify drop shipping tomorrow from your house. That doesn't work like that. But if you have, I don't know, 700 plus credit score, 680, you actually might get that, Or if you have a co-signer, your parents or friends, whatever the case, that's crazy stuff that I've seen got approved so far. Not even talking about real estate. Real estate, 10 years, the first 10 years interest only, that's insane. Some people ask me about how about out of the country, out of the US. At the end of the day, it's like 90% of the businesses in the US, that's where the towards, or 80%, 20% Canada. However, if you want to purchase real estate in the US, there's reach out to me from another country. Let's say you live in another country, you want to buy real estate in here because you like everything that you see so far. There are options for that as well. Let's see. There are a million tokens. Yeah, there's no million, but there's like 10,000 tokens out there. Bitcoin doesn't have a use case. True, but it is always will be the first. And a lot of people are using just Bitcoin. It's not store of value, just we got used to Bitcoin. Seems the negativity of TikTok has worn you down. That's true. Take care of yourself. That's true. There's TikTok from after being a year in TikTok, I've noticed that I finally figured it's very, very beginner platform for anything. I see people talk about online arbitrage. Go to, I don't know, Walmart, scan, I don't know, a toy or something for like $10, sell it on Amazon, online arbitrage for like $30 and collect the profit. People have done that like 5 years ago. You're trying to sell this nonsense now. Just it's such beginner platform, affiliate marketing. Everyone talked about it. So yeah, and especially with crypto. It's just if you don't talk about, I don't know, shit coins, scam coins, coins that are worth market cap. People don't even understand market cap. All they see is the number. Nobody cares about market cap, which is like the basics of crypto. But I learned not to argue because there's no point to change people's mind. They will do what they need to do, and people will lose. People will join crypto again, probably a couple of months from now. Once more people will talk about it, and they will miss this couple of months of buying dollar cost average every single week. It's what I've been doing the last 2 3 months, just adding to my bags, and hopefully eventually it will pay off. It sucks to be in this time, but this time, I said it before, the wealthiest, not the wealthiest, but a lot of crypto wealth have been created if you just dollar cost average between 2018 and 2019, when nobody wants to be on crypto. That was the real money. It sucks. It takes a long time. You're frustrated. I didn't do all of that. But if that opportunity comes again, I'm not going to make the same mistake, basically. So I just dollar cost average weekly, basically. But yeah, TikTok is a lot of gamblers out there. Not just crypto, stocks as well. And the more you sell the dream that, hey, you can do this very specific thing and next week you will have $1 million in your bank account, the more views you're gonna get, but it's not real, and it doesn't work like that in life. It just doesn't work like that. What do you think about bet? Should I invest more? Who's bet? Uh, do you mean Ethereum? Because I see BETH. Hello, Uncle Ziv. Hope you and your family are good. Thank you for that, Billy Elliot. Good to see you, mate. Watching you in Ireland. Beer. That's good. I'm good. Thank you very much. Great. Thank you. Better call Saul. Not a lawyer, but sure. You can purchase US real estate through crypto, fractional and tradable. Sure, you can also purchase real estate with money, not fractional, like 100%. But yeah, I saw a couple of crypto projects. I don't know how legit they are. If they will be in the future, that's my problem. I assume 10 years from now, or 5, 7 years from now, you will buy your real estate and put it on the blockchain. Whether the projects that are doing this now will be here, that's a different question. People think they get more gains if the coin is cheaper. Yeah, literally nobody in retail understands how market cap works. Yeah, and that's basically TikTok. It's a beginner friendly platform for everything, for every side hustle you can think of. If you wanna step up like the level, YouTube is where the I don't know the crowd that has a little more experience, I would say. CTX just launched on Gemini. Interesting. DeFi coin that works with Chainlink. I love Chainlink for the Oracle. 8 million market cap. Okay, good to know. I have to rewatch the stream, but I have a small. Yeah, there's a replay after this. I have a small e commerce business, kind of just starting out. Are you looking to help established or also small looking to scale? And by the way, thank you for all your advice, Mr. Olmec. Both. However, it's not me. I'm just the broker. So I'm listening to your story, and based not on your story, based on your numbers, I can decide which lender to refer you, and basically go from there. But let's say it's a perfect example. Let's say you started, I don't know, 3 months ago, Amazon FBA or Shopify e-commerce drop shipping store. Depends on the revenue. If the revenue, I don't know, if you make $1,000 a month and you want to get $50,000, they're gonna tell you, sure, you need a 680 plus score. If you don't have that, that's not gonna fly, unless you bring a cosigner or something. It's not free money. But yeah, reach out to me. Reach out to me so we can talk. Just no leverage yet, but they are working with Ava to borrow against. Good to know. Interesting, Kirk. Reach out to me, Mr. Olmec Rising. Explain, please, about real estate on blockchain. As far as I know, there are like two companies, very small. I don't even know them, and they bought real estate. Let's say they bought some fix and flip, and they fix it, and now instead of offering to investors, they just offer it on their platform, and let's say you can put $500 in crypto in that specific coin, and you own, I don't know, 1% of the real estate, and you get paid in that coin weekly or daily or monthly or something like that, give or take. So it's not like you buy the whole house, you just buy a super fraction of that, and you get paid in the coin of the company that actually owns the house. Whether it's legit, there's no regulation. You gotta think. Sure, let's say I put $10,000 on a house, but instead of cash, I buy $10,000 worth of that company's coin, and then I'm part. How is that real estate, a piece of that real estate, yours? You're correct. There was no closing. There was no KYC. None of that happened. Eventually, it will. But those one or two companies, I don't know if they will be here to win. this real estate crypto investment space, basically. So it's insanely early. It's not even a thing, as far as I know. It is a thing, but it's not. It's not really. It's no. What is the future of Ethereum staking? Hopefully good. Binance has Binance Ethereum staking. Coinbase has the same, and I can just put my Ethereum on BlockFi and get like 5 or 6%, whatever they pay now. Haven't paid attention. Hopefully good. Everything should be good once Bitcoin goes back up. What's my opinion about hacks? No opinion. Certificate of deposit on the blockchain. No opinion. I watched insane a lot of videos on TikTok lately on hacks out of the blue. Hex did, if you check Hex, it did like I don't know, like 1,000,000% gain in the last year, and in the last 2 weeks you start to see promotion about Hex when it's like 50 billion or so market cap. A time to buy Hex, if you were to buy Hex, was 6 to 12 months ago, not at 50 billion market cap, give or take. Non-US accreditable investor, Hex is a scam. It doesn't matter if it's a scam or not. If you buy a coin at 50 billion, give or take market cap, where's the upside? Where's the upside? It's not gonna make you all those insane gains that it did to everyone that bought Hex 6, 8, 12 months ago. Doesn't matter, scam or not. The upside is not there anymore. CTX is a government token. Whoever mentioned that. Here in Colorado, 1/5 of the St. Regis Hotel was sold for $18 million for digital tokens. Was to be a riot on the Nasdaq if they didn't go to digital coin route through Aspen Digital. Good to know, but I don't have $18 million to buy 1/5 of a hotel. That's not the average person. Can I buy gold or silver with crypto? There's one company that like mimic one-to-one gold. I think Paxton Gold or something it's called. I haven't really checked if they're legit. I know the token metrics likes them. I don't know about silver, but I know Paxton Gold, Paxos, whatever it's called, PAXOS, something like that. They just, but again, if a website says that we mimic gold one-to-one, it's a website. You don't know what's behind the scene. I'm not saying that it's not the case, but I prefer to hold gold, physical gold, but I don't have gold. I don't believe in gold long term. Thank you for explaining real estate. Sure. What do you like most for DeFi? Aave. Yeah. Aave. Liquidity providers. If you check every day on QuickSwap, you got some hidden gems there. Like the video I did about Rand Dodge, it was I don't know, like 700%. Now it's like 200%, something like that. It went down, but every day basically QuickSwap from Medic is adding coins like Ethereum based coins into the Medic QuickSwap platform. And once they are live on the Medic on QuickSwap, not a lot of people know that, because the only way to know that is either check QuickSwap once a day or check I don't know, Medic Twitter. That's where they publish, which I don't have Twitter. I had before. I really hate Twitter or Facebook for that matter, basically. So if you do check, let's say yesterday I checked, there was a Nexo. Nexo is like a BlockFi, but there was a pool, a quick swap Nexo for like I don't know 6,000% because they launched like 48 hours ago on Medic. So they moved Nexo the coin from Ethereum. They just migrated to the Medic platform. But since there's not a lot of people that know that, there was a pool, two pools. One pool was Nexo Ethereum, and one pool Nexo QuickSwap. So if you were quick to find out about it, and you put I don't know 5,000 or something, that was like I don't know like 50% quick every day for like 2 days, and now it's like 10% quick per day. and it's go down and down and down, basically. So the options are there. But if I do a video about it on YouTube until it's going live and all the editing and all that stuff, it's probably gonna go a lot lower. So just search QuickSwap. I like QuickSwap a lot better now than DeFi. Between the two, I think QuickSwap is getting to become like the number one uh, contender for Medic completely. And Medic is now less than 90 cents. It's crazy. It was 250 like 2 months ago. So people are frustrated, but it's an opportunity, not a financial advice. It sucks. It sucks to be in those times, but if in order to reap the rewards, you gotta suffer through the bad times as well. It doesn't work like that, only up. It doesn't work like that. Yeah. 3 new lower cap crypto launch on Coinbase. Yeah, I saw those. One being Clover Finance, a DeFi that I'm not excited about. They launch on FTX exchange. I saw 2 new coins on Coinbase. Haven't searched them, but yeah, everything is still working. Coinbase is launching coins. Projects are doing what they were supposed to do. But if Bitcoin doesn't go up, all of that doesn't matter. And eventually, it will do what it needs to do. It's not going to go down forever. But that period, it's not easy. And nothing is easy in life. But let's say you sold. Let's say you sold, I don't know, last month. And now you're not buying unless Bitcoin is going to 20,000, or you're not buying unless Bitcoin is going back over 42,000 and closes above it. I don't think it will go to 20,000. According to token metrics, by the way, Bitcoin and Ethereum this month, I forgot to put it in my last video. I should have. I didn't. Listen up, guys. According to token metrics, and feel free to join the link in all the description, 7-day trial, Bitcoin should trade at 28,500 by August 5th. That was the last, give or take. So let's say in the next 3 weeks, we should test 28.5, 28.6, according to the artificial intelligence, which is not good. And Ethereum should touch around 1750, 1800, 1770 something. Same thing. So we're getting close to that point. So is it gonna go to 20,000? Probably not. But if you already sold and you are waiting for Bitcoin to go to 20,000, if it doesn't, and let's say it touches around 28.5, play around that level for, I don't know, a couple of weeks, and then shoots back up. If Bitcoin goes up from 28, 29, 30 level to over 42 in like a week or two, give or take, whenever that happens, you better believe that all the altcoins that you sold will probably do 2-3x in that 30 to 42,000 range for Bitcoin. And then you will think, you know what, was it the dead cat bounce? Should I buy now? You already missed on the big jump, not big jump, but you already will miss on the altcoin jump because you're not in suffering right now. You can't time the market. So I prefer to suffer in dollar cost average during this, I wouldn't say bear market, but boring market in the last 2 months or so, and adding more and more to my positions. And once everything clears, I have a lot more coins than I started 3 months ago, basically. So once we do get the jump and we do go back to bullish, I will be in a whole lot better situation. I can't see it now because everything is down every single day, which sucks. But that's how eventually it should get better. Hopefully. So that's my conclusion. So if you are already waiting for Bitcoin to go to 20,000, it might not happen. And then what? You will buy at 42,000. If that happens, all the altcoins that you probably sold last month, you will miss the jump that they will do from here to Bitcoin 40 plus thousand. That's my take. We reached 9:30, so we've been here for an hour. Let me finish reading, guys. Quick swap, thank you, good idea. Yeah. Yeah, Nexo was 6,000%. I don't know how much is it today, but that was like 2 days ago. Digibyte, ran Digibyte, another one, started yesterday. It was like 5 million%. Now it's like 100,000% on Rand Digibyte QuickSwap pool. That's crazy stuff. You don't go in for like a year, but if you go in and you put, I don't know, 10K, not a financial advice. Okay, let's start with that. You take 10K and you put I don't know on Rand Digibyte Quick because it just launched like an hour later you found out about it from QuickSwap or Medic Twitter, and then you put some Digibyte Ren Quick $10,000. That's like one quick in 24 hours, and the next day it's probably like half a quick in 24 hours. The next day it's like I don't know, quarter of a quick, and like a week later it goes down to normal like 100% return. Crazy. But that 10,000 that you started will now you have another two free quick, and while quick is absolutely nothing now, like $300, 50 million market cap, eventually, hopefully, it will be $1 billion coin. So that's my thinking with those quick swap pools. Favorite index fund style token, DPI. I want to do a tomorrow video about the DeFi Pulse Index. Basically, it's an ETF. It's not an ETF, but it's like combining the top DeFi coins into one coin that mimic what they do. Good advice. Thank you. Agree 100% with what you said about the market. I'm putting in as much as I can right now. Trust me, I want to put more. Don't trust me, verify. But yeah, it sucks to be in this time, but eventually this time will end, this period will end, and if I have, I don't know, 5 times more Aave coin than coins that I have 3 months ago, because 3 months ago Aave was 600 and now it's I don't know, fluctuate around 250 for the last 2 months. I'm very happy with that because eventually I think according to my own research, Aave is like five to $10,000 coin. So I'm happy to have 5 times more coin 6 months down the line if we keep doing that. You can't have it all. You can't always go up, then you buy less coins. It doesn't work like that. If the time to buy is now, and this is the time to suffer, eventually it will change. My thoughts on Telcoin? No, I heard a lot about that, haven't searched, so I don't have an opinion. Okay, guys, let me write the contact details again. If you missed that, I am officially a business loan broker, meaning that if you want to either start a new business from home or already have a business and you want to expand or buy real estate, interest only for the first 5 to 10 years, whatever the case, reach out to me so I can help steer you in the right direction and put some details. Okay, reach out to me. That's my business phone. This is my email. Capital Finance After 40. And this is the website if you wanna just apply. Not apply, but just fill an application and it goes to me and then I give you a call. Capital Finance After 40.com is the website as well. Convex Finance is unreal. Yeah, it's going down to $2 and it has almost $4 billion total locked in value. It's crazy. It's nice and steady. Can you do a video on how to value coins? Yeah, I can, but people don't want to watch that. They want to watch a video that says Dogecoin is going to go to $10,000. That's the crowd. CTX give you exposure to total crypto market. That being said, guys, I gave you my details. Seriously, I'm starting this business lending venture. Feel free to reach out if you gain value so far from me. You want to start or expand your business? Yeah. I would rather see how to value coins. But the rest of TikTok and YouTube will say otherwise. reach out to me. I will probably do can share my thoughts on an email or something. That being said, thank you guys very much, and hopefully tomorrow I'll do a DPI DeFi Pulse Index YouTube video. I mean, just finish reading. Does it solve a hair or a fire problem? Think Uniswap. Its value was correlated to the value it brought to the ecosystem. Telcoin working with the state of Nebraska. Can pass crypto measure quick with their interesting legislation. Anyway, thank you guys very much. Appreciate you all, and I will see you next time. Have a good night. Yeah.